everybody, today I'm going to be making two different types of burritos that I'm going to put in the freezer. So it's a freezer meal, but it's for breakfast. So I'll be doing chorizo burritos, and then I'll be doing like to us it's like a basic breakfast burrito. I know there's so many freezer meals out there in the YouTube world. I always see them out there, but I just thought, you know what, let me share with you guys what I do for my family. I have 5 good sized potatoes here. You can go ahead and use whatever potatoes that you like or you have on hand. I just have some russet potatoes today. I already washed them, and now I'm just gonna peel them and I'm gonna dice them really small. I'm adding a good amount because that's a lot of potatoes. The potatoes, I'm mixing it around so that the olive oil will go ahead and coat every potato. And I'm just using some Lori's seasoned salt, and that's what I'm going to season this with. Once I see that it starts browning a little bit, I go ahead and turn it down. While the potatoes are cooking, next thing I'm going to cook up is this Farmer John classic pork links. I have these on medium, low, and I go ahead and cover it so that it can steam and cook all the way. In between time, I'll go ahead and flip them. Potatoes are looking good, they're done. And then the sausage links, I went ahead and just sliced them up. And in the pan, I have 2 tablespoons of butter. And I have 10 eggs here. I scrambled them up. So I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, and just mix it up. I'm gonna add the sausage, potatoes. I have 2 cups of Colby Jack cheese in here, and I'm gonna add that in there. So I'm gonna have some cheesy burritos. These are the tortillas I'm gonna use today, the Guerrero, and these are like a medium size and they're really thin. I like them to be thin. First recipe made 10 burritos. Next burrito I'm making is chorizo burritos. I have a stick of pork chorizo. This is 9 ounces. And then I have a can of pinto beans. I'm actually going to refry those. You can use fresh beans if you have that. I have 2 cups of Colby Jack cheese, and then I have 10 eggs that I already mixed. In your heated up pan, you're gonna put the chorizo, and then you're gonna break it apart. So I'm going to go ahead and add the eggs and mix it real quick before the eggs start cooking, because you want to get that chorizo mixed really good with the eggs. Chorizo made the eggs like an orangey red. That's how you guys are going to want it. You don't need to add no seasoning because chorizo has so much seasoning in it already. But I am going to add 2 cups of cheese because we like cheese in our chorizo. So we're making some cheesy burritos today. We're gonna add some of the refried beans, and then I like to spread it out a little bit. Add your chorizo, and that is it. And then you're just gonna roll it up. We do like to put like sour cream. You can put potatoes in this too. And there you go. My family is going to be so happy that I made these for them. I told them I was going to do it this week, but they don't know that I did it today. So tomorrow for breakfast, before school and work, they're going to be able to have some breakfast burritos. And I know it's a little bit time consuming, but it's worth it because throughout the week and next week, I don't even have to worry about breakfast. I like to put saran wrap over my burritos before I freeze them. I do like to label the freezer bag so I know which one it is, because on the outside, you can't even tell. I want to keep them in the freezer a little longer. I still put saran wrap over them, but I also put foil over that, and then I go ahead and put it in the Ziploc bag so it won't get freezer burn. I ended up making 11 chorizo and 10 of the sausage and egg burritos. I showed you guys the burritos I make my family. Hopefully you guys get to try it out and make it for yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.